Hello guys, today we're gonna explore a new thing that we think tropical storm has never formed in Malaysia. We think that it's just a myth. We think that Malaysia is safe. First of all, we have to see the Coriolis effect. Malaysia is under the zero. Malaysia is under the we can say the equator. Yeah, equator, or we can say it's at zero latitude, exactly the way where the sun can hit this whole Malaysia once for all and without any stop. And so the heat of the sun is not spread evenly but spread like an oven. But in this oven, how did the storm form? So on 2001, the atmosphere got line up a few things that is needed. First of all, let's see what actually happened. Because you see, first of all, it had something called a Borneo vortex. Let's see its record. So when it 8 p.m. exactly 8 p.m. at 26 December, the Borneo vortex made it into a depression which is 45 kilometers, and its pressure was high. We didn't say low because it haven't dropped to its low pressure, because a depression can drop between 101 to 105 and below can be classified as depression because it's almost low to a 999, which is considered a tropical storm already. Let's see its progress. So exactly at 27 December, after 2 days of its after 1 day of its growth, something called a rapid intensification made it by 27 December 2 a.m. early in the morning to a tropical storm. This is very rare and not experienced. But the main thing happened on exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, 27 December. A rapid intensification happened, which is very rare in the equator but possible in extreme situations, because the Borneo vortex, that is the main factor to spin a storm, helped it create artificial rotation that made it possible for rapid intensification. And the time the ocean was very warm and very warm to support the growth of the storm for rapid intensification. Okay, let's go see something that we never seen in history. At this period, it faced winds of 120 kilometers per hour, very, very strong for a storm. But the shocking thing was its pressure. We use HPA, its lowest pressure, 8 a.m. till 2 p.m. was, shockingly, it managed to hold a record of 976 HPA. Very low for a storm, and it's often in the Pacific or Atlantic that's happening. Okay, let's go now. Okay, once it hit land, we know it always gets weak. It fast the ocean has depression, 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 depression. But a shocking thing happened. Something should never happen, but possible in extreme situations. It didn't intensify to a rapid category 5, but under the circumstances of the open ocean, the storm managed to re-intensify for a tropical storm strength for a few minutes, for a few days, can be said. Did you see? The storm re-intensified on 31st December, and it lasted until 31st December too. It lasted for a day. Yes. Then it finally dissipated very far. So this is the end of the story.